Hello, good morning from a really rather glorious Friday the 6th. I'm FX Blue and this is the market brief. So as expected, the MPC voted for a fourth consecutive rate hike. The base rate here is now 1%, which is the highest we've seen since 2009. Governor Bailey spoke of his belief that inflation will peak at around 10% in the summer. That will be the highest we've seen since 1982. And he warned of a major slowdown in the economy as the bank navigates that narrow path between rising inflation and a potential recession. Indeed, the market concerns of a Q3 recession saw sterling sell off yesterday, down to 123.25 against the dollar. We opened around 123.60 this morning, and it was a similar story against the euro. We opened down around 117.40 this morning. Over in the US, after the 50 basis point rate hike earlier in the week, questions are being asked about why Powell seems to have ruled out a 75 basis point hike, even if the policy doesn't bring inflation back to an acceptable level. This was never on the cards before the meeting, and it rather demonstrates how the market is a fickle beast. He did give enough advanced guidance of another 50 basis point hike next month, but there'll always be some in the market wanting more. So now that the attention has switched to April's non-farm payrolls, guess we should probably host a sweepstake. By way of background, this month we had ADP private sector data that came in quite short of the mark. That posted 247,000 new jobs against a forecast for 395,000. Weekly jobless claims posted more new claims than expected. That showed 200,000 new claims against a forecast of 182,000. So both of those data points are backing hashtag Team Under for the win this month. But Powell and Yellen both stated that the economy can comfortably handle tighter monetary policy, and they would have had early sight of the payrolls data when they made those statements. Headline forecasts have been trimmed a little bit though. We're now looking for 391,000 new jobs for April. It's not a country mile away from the 431,000 reported in March, but it is a little lower all the same. So look, all in all, it's pretty uncertain as usual. It's everything to play for in the sweepstake. You know the drill. Drop a number in the comments below to play along. Closest to the pin takes the top spot, and you'll get your name in lights on that whizzy little results graphic. Trust me, as far as Fridays go, it doesn't get much better than that. For me, I'm in it to win it for Team Over this month. 450,000 new jobs. Good luck to you, though.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FX Blue.